This is Yoni.
I've got my boyfriend with me here for today because as a part of my celebration for Love Month, I am featuring him on my channel all month long.
Dun, dun, dun.
So for today, we're doing an unboxing! Yay! What are we unboxing?
We're unboxing Sephora. I got her some makeup from Sephora and she has no idea what's inside. And I'm a little bit worried as well, but let's see how it went.
Let's see. Let's start! So I'm gonna open it now. I'm so happy.
At this point, I have to say that some colors might be a bit off. I wasn't quite sure what
Why are
colors
we
to
being
get.
defensive?
I just want to preview.
Are we not that confident? Let's see. You've already done my makeup anyways, right? So...
Yeah, but I wasn't studying the colors.
Ta-da! So much goodies! I love Valentine's Day. This must be a freebie, right? It's
Yeah,
a freebie.
I think so. I hope so.
We got a freebie! Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts for acne-prone skin. So this is the freebie. I've actually heard so many good things about this brand. It's a cleanser.
Oh no.
Why oh no?
Because you have heard a lot of good things about this brand and I didn't get this brand.
Yeah. Well, it's okay.
But I had a solid tactic.
What's your tactic?
Because it was so much products, I had no idea and I was so confused. So I just went to bestsellers.
That is a good tactic because that is also what I do. The bestsellers on the Sephora website will help you lost souls out there. It will guide you to the right path. What's this one? Ooh, Kat Von D!
What is it?
You bought it.
Okay, so this is because you have to set your face before you put the makeup. So that it stays. You have to first set your face with this mist.
I can't open it.
First problem.
Open it! Open it! Open it! Such a strong man, this man. Show them muscles. Flex them. Okay, so it's the Kat Von D Lock-It Makeup Setting Mist.
Is it okay?
Yeah, I love this brand because I am super oily. So I actually just bought the Kat Von D Lock-It Foundation because, yeah, as I've said, I'm really oily. So I keep looking for matte products that would really keep the makeup on there for a long time without getting all greasy and stuff. Oh, so it's an after makeup application.
Why?
Why not? That's how you do it. Like, you've seen me do it.
Oh.
You put it 10 to 12 inches away from the face. Nothing comes out yet.
Enough na.
It smells good too. Feel fresh already. It's gonna stay there forever, my makeup. That was a win. It was a win, folks.
Thank you, bestsellers.
Fenty Beauty Kilowatt. Kilowatt. So this is what he got me. The Fenty Beauty. But you have to hide behind me or else it's not gonna there. Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo.
This was a fancy one.
You know what Fenty Beauty is, right? Who made it?
Yeah, it says here by Rihanna.
This brand is actually like super duper hyped up. I just read an article last night that said that it's poised to take over KKW and Kylie Cosmetics. Good job, Rihanna. Close kayo, Riri? Oh, so pretty! Oh, so pretty. Look at that glow.
Is it a good color?
Yeah, it's super good color. It's a freestyle highlighter duo. Good thing you didn't get the super yellow one.
I don't think you're yellow. You're more of a peach.
Yeah, I am a peachy one. You see the highlights? You can never have too much highlights.
Another
Love
success.
it! Success! It's a win again. Next. Ooh, Fenty Beauty again!
Again.
Matchsticks Trio.
Okay,
Ooh,
so
you had a little help here. I told you it's something I wanted.
Oh, did you?
You were listening. He was listening, folks.
Probably not get that if I didn't get
If you didn't get
a hint before.
Ooh, it's so pretty. Look, it's so useful because it comes in this set and it's like it's attached to each other magnetically. Whoop, whoop,
Fancy.
whoop, whoop. The first one is the highlighter.
More highlights.
Yeah, it Matchsticks Starstruck. Look at that glow.
You're gonna shine the whole day.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. I'm so happy. Oh, this is the contour stick. It's matchsticks in amber. So I really like this because if you notice, it's not the brownish, yellowish tone. It's actually more on the cooler tone. It's a bit gray, grayish brown. And that's what works best for my type of skin. Are you listening, Joa? Because if you get like a super brown contour, then it looks kind of yellowish on me. So it's not as natural as opposed to this one. There. Oh, it's so pretty.
I think I'm good at this.
So nice. Should I put...
Not anymore.
He said enough!
Because you already misted your face.
Yes, that is true. And this is must be the concealer. So this is matchsticks in linen. Let's try it on this other hand. Ooh, perfect shade, Sha. It's another win. Okay, next. What's this fancy bubble wrap thing? Oh, it's another seam. It's a mist.
It's a mist for your hair when you want to do the beach look. So it's just great.
How is the beach look?
Like this. Just do this, and then ready to rock.
Okay, so it's the Herbivore Sea Mist in Coconut plus Sea Salt Beach Wave Hair Mist.
It smells good as well.
How do you know?
Because it's coconut.
But I'm not...
You're not going to the beach.
Oh, makes me hungry.
Problem.
Oh, it smells so good. Should I make it into a perfume?
Why did you spray?
Oh, it smells so good.
I still have to go to work. Is it useful?
It is a win again. Because whenever I go to the beach, I actually don't blow dry my hair. I just air dry it and
I remember you did a tutorial of the beach hair.
I see. You watched
on your
that tutorial.
channel.
I see.
So that's why I...
I love this. I always see this in Sephora and I never buy it because I just always see another palette that I end up buying.
So this is never the choice.
No, because I always think that I have the individual colors in the other palettes, but it's not in one palette. So I always think that I should just get another different palette first. No, it's not that it's not good enough. It's just that I just always felt like, no, it's really nice. I like it. So it's the Too Faced Sweet Peach Smells Like Peaches. I guess you must have noticed that I like peach and corals and browns. I too. Ooh,
how it will look.
It's also upside down. There's a how-to inside. When I first started out putting makeup on and being all experimental and everything, I actually relied heavily on the how-tos that are usually at the back of the palette. I used to always follow them. It's the cutest packaging ever. Look at that. Problem. Makes me think of food again. So pretty. It really smells like
good.
peaches.
Yeah.
Makes me hungry again. Colors. Oh, colors are so good. I really like this one. Summer Yum and Puree. I also like that purple color. Delectable. Candied Peach is also nice.
I knew it. Candied peach, I knew.
And just peachy also, and nectar and everything else. This is also a win.
That's it?
We have another one. We have one last.
Okay.
So we have a powder brush.
So this is just because I remember some time ago you were looking for a brush, the big brush to put the powder on. I know you have too many brushes now, but you were in trouble finding a new brush. So then I thought, there must be a reason why she was buying a new brush. So all the old ones are not good. So what happens if the one goes away, goes missing, then you don't have a brush again. But now you have a spare.
That's a really long explanation.
Yeah, for a brush.
It's okay naman. I don't need it so much, but it's nice.
It's just a backup. Because you tend to lose also. Oy.
So soft, right? This is a massage, sir. This is good pressure, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Overall, I think you did very well. I think I'm not surprised. You tend to do well when it comes to these things. You want to tell me anything?
What?
Do you practice makeup at home?
No.
Okay. If I were to change one thing, I probably wouldn't have bought the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Not because I don't like it, but it's because we already have the...
But it's only one highlighter here. Here you have 2 colors.
Yeah, I know, I like it. But just for variety, I would have gotten the Fenty Beauty foundation.
I tried to buy you foundation actually, but too many colors.
You got confused.
I would have bought you 120, but I wasn't sure if that's the right. I didn't want to get scolded. Like, why did you buy this dark for me?
I never
why
scold
did
you.
like this
I
light for
never
me?
scold you.
I buy this color.
Is that how I get mad? I don't do that. I don't.
Why did you waste so much money buying the wrong color? Okay, so basically I just wanted to avoid the conflict.
No more Valentine's Day!
Confrontation, and then I stick to the ones which I knew work.
You were a sigurista in Filipino.
What's sigurista?
You're not a risk taker. You want everything to be a surefire hit.
In this case, no. I'm a sigurista.
You mean in this case, yes, you are.
Oh,
a
yes.
sigurista.
No, but I was answering why I don't want to take risks in this case. I want to be a sigurista all the time.
The favorite is definitely this. The Fenty Beauty triple stick, because I already hinted at that. And the Too Faced as well, because I've been staring at it for the longest time and I just never bought it. So how did it feel buying makeup for me?
First it was confusing, but then I found the best sellers. That was a good yeah.
It's a
good site.
help. Would you recommend to other boyfriends or jowas or husbands to look for their Valentine's gifts on Sephora or other gifts for their girlfriends or wives
Yeah,
on Sephora?
it was easy and comes home delivered.
Did you read the reviews of the other people? Because when I buy on Sephora, I really read the reviews.
I think I read one of these because I was a bit not so sure.
The reviews sold it to you.
The reviews sold it to me.
I'm proud of you, Joa.
Thank you, thank you.
You did well.
Thanks.
So that's it for today, folks. Thank you so much for watching our unboxing video. I hope that you guys liked it. And now we all know that the boyfriend can be entrusted with all these shopping.
If it's not foundation.
If it's not foundations.
If
That's
I don't
all.
have to choose colors.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready to say goodbye. Bye everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe and to turn on your notifications. If you like this, then please thumbs up and leave a comment below. Soft enough.